Thank you guys for tuning back into my channel, and as you can see, I jumped right into it because ain't nobody got time. But today I will be talking about the Creme of Nature Pure Honey hair mask. And y'all, this mask did really good on my hair. And me, I'm not gonna lie, because if it's trash, it's trash, and I don't mind telling you. But this mask did really good. I didn't have to detangle my hair much, and surprisingly, I didn't have much shedding. So that's always a good thing. Look how defined my curls are. Girl, look at my hair. Yeah, see, this most definitely is a cop and not a flop, so go and cop it. I totally recommend this hair mask. I let my mask sit in for 10 to 15 minutes, and this is my hair once I wash the product out.